So it's time. We're getting tired of it. Many of you are getting tired of the Fire Stick, Fire TV device. You may be tired of your normal device. So we're going to go through one of the best alternatives. I've been looking around, I've been trying devices, and this one from Buzz TV is good. And there's many reasons for it. Not just a great RAM, not just a great storage, but it's made and developed by people who are about streaming. The G series running Google TV, which is Android TV, pretty much. Google TV is a more TV streaming version of Android TV. So the layout is perfect. I'm going to get it open. I'm going to get it set up. And I'm going to show you that it can still install apps. I'm going to demonstrate that side of things. I'll show you how it works, how you can sideload. And I'll show you how smooth and great it runs. Great quality content. I'm not going to show you how to unbox a box. You know how to open something. So let's get it going. So I'm not going to lie, I'm going to be making this device my #1 go-to in my front room. This is going to be the family device because of the speed. 64GB of storage, 4GB of RAM as well. So the speed on it is huge. It's a huge step up from an old Fire TV device. We will go into overall specs, USB sockets, all of that after we've had a play with it. Remote is spot on. Universal remote, smart remote, so it has your quick buttons you have. You have voice search as well. And if you are on Android or an Android phone, when it came to setting up, simply links to your phone, scan the QR code, and it set it all up for you, including internet, everything like that. So this device is your Google TV. Many of you may have seen Google TV or Android TV over the time, but as you'll see, the main layout is built for speed and being able to find the content you watch, okay, and recommendations. All your apps are here, all on the home screen. No real messing about. It's a smart layout. It's not, let's try and make things as tricky as possible, which Amazon and Firestick seem to be doing. It will, obviously, it sells, but that depends on which apps you use if you have not. But you can put all your other apps on it as well. And the playback is good. So to put apps on if you wanted to, and this is run by Google Android, so it's not under Amazon's ecosystem. So those apps which are blocked over there are not currently blocked on Google or Android. I don't know what's coming in the future, but when it comes down to it, that's how it is. So if you go to apps, and if you want to find an app, you can just search for apps and games. And obviously in here, we can just type in downloader.
Results for down.
We'll find us a downloader. The one you want is the first one, downloader by AFTV News. You can install that, and then you'll be able to access the internet to install anything you want. We're going to do this bit first because I know a lot of you are interested in sideloading and putting your own apps on a device. If anybody just wants to rush through, the link for this device is underneath. Okay, the link for the device is underneath. Have a look at their website. I'm not affiliated with them, so if you choose to buy it by my link, you can. If not, just search it. So we're going to open this up. And here you have your downloader already on your device. Okay, and again, you accept your permissions, you accept their privacy, and then you can just put in a good downloader code. Okay, so I'll put in one. I'm putting 75726. That is my downloader code, and that will go straight through to my website. You can use that on any device. We weren't going to download or install any third party on this device because this is a device review. Okay, so I'm just going to show you it works, and you can load through. And there we go, straight onto my device. You can click on app downloads and you'll find everything you're looking for. Okay, so we are now back on our device. You can go and install what you want to, but let's have a little look at what spec they got. Then we're going to load up some 4K content, see what the playback's like. So under your settings, when you're in here, if you click on settings, if you then go to system and you can click on about, it will tell you about what this one does, okay? So we've got the Model G series here, Android 14 currently. Android TV build OS. Nice in there. It's Google certified, so you can play. You will get official Netflix. So that means you get up to 4K, things like this. We're going to show a little bit of 4K playback. We'll do a little bit of 4K playback on YouTube. If you're watching YouTube, make sure you do hit follow on me. Okay, so this is just a YouTube video, but I just wanted to show you how clear and crystal clear the playback is when you are watching it. There we go. Look at that for visual effects. It is unreal. And this box, I'm going to show you the price and everything like that in a second. Let's get off of this so we don't get copyright striked. You can set up shortcuts. You can have all your apps. You can set up different profiles as well. So you can have watch lists. You can add accounts. This is linked to my Google. There's only so much I can show you on a video. I know it's tough. A lot of it, you're going to have to take my word for it. I know, but I'd like to think I've built up a good enough reputation over the years that you will do that. So let's have a look at the website. So we got the Buzz TV. This was the G series, okay? First, Google TV set-top box by Buzz TV. Entertainment you love with a little help. Let's have a little look at the spec. They do other devices as well, if that's what you're interested in. But this 4GB of RAM is what a lot of you asked for. Not that you need a lot of RAM on a streaming device. There's no harm. It's good to have. Great performance, good speed. 64GB of storage. You're not going to be moaning about not having enough room for your apps on there. Plus, there is USB for external if you wanted to store your own movies yourself. No more jumping between apps. It's all right there. With 400,000 plus movies and TV episodes and more available across it. It brings it together in your entertainment system. So that's what's good about Google TV currently, is you don't have to go into the app. It will all be there underneath or on your screen, or you can search it. The G21 voice remote. You asked and we listened. The G21 remote features a full numerical keyboard. Brilliant. Buttons designed for seamless use across your favourite apps, as well as being able to add it to control your TV. You've got Google Smart Home on it. You can control your TV with your phone. And in the box, we did get, it's already wide in over there. We got the box. We got the G21 remote, power adapter, HDMI cable, quick guide, and you even got the batteries. On there, you have a USB-C for the power. You have HDMI. You have LAN. You have optical. You have micro SD card slot, USB-C, and USB, all on one nice slick device. So you can shop G series. Prices will vary, I'm sure, around the world, but it is all here for you. If we get any discount codes, they will be linked underneath for you as well, all on there, all underneath for my viewers. I'm going to be doing more of their products. I'm going to be trying to get some work with them. So if you do follow my link, although we aren't affiliated, at least it shows them that we do like their box. We like what they're doing with their box, and I'm going to be using their box going forward, okay? There's other stuff on there. They have the Buzz TV app as well, which can be put on there. The Buzz TV 6 app. Again, I've gone very heavy on the boxes in bigging it up because I like it. You know, it is just a quick box. And after using a Fire TV for a long time, don't panic. I'll still be doing my Fire TV videos. I know thousands of you have Fire TV devices and can't afford to change your box yet. This box, again, by Buzz TV, the whole idea is it's personal, okay? It's a company who want to talk about streaming. Their mission, to provide the world-class products with features that matter, continuously innovate with new and fresh platforms or products that provide options at price points that give our customers choice and value. Again, they've got a customer service there, they've got office hours, you know, they're there. They're there to help you. Whereas a lot of these other companies, you're not going to get hold of Amazon, you're not going to get hold of Nvidia to actually, if you have issues, these guys you can speak to. Brilliant. That's linked underneath for you. Check out what you think of it. Place an order if you want to. I'll be doing Google TV videos going forward. And I will be using this box for it. So if you want to follow along, this is probably the one for you. Brilliant.